Are you having moisture inside your dryer? Okay, here's what you can do to stop it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take that dryer vent hose and we're going to cut it down short and make it a straight path. Short, straight path, short as possible from the dryer to the wall. Next is we're going to make sure that that vent hose and the pipe and the external test screen is completely clean. We don't want any air restriction. Okay, now at this point, you can either keep your dryer door open when it's not in use so that the air can flow through. You can close the laundry room door so that there's no cold air in there. Or you can purchase a little damper from either American Amazon or Japanese Amazon. What this does is this goes inside the dryer vent hose, and this allows the dryer air to escape, but it doesn't allow the hot humid air to come back in your house, because that's what's causing the problem. Is the hot humid air is coming inside and the AC is mixing with the inside the dryer and creating water. If you have any other questions, feel free to message us, ISC Okinawa on Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.